Hello students, welcome to my channel Electronics Tube. Today we will solve the exercise 2.4, which is very easy, and but some points you have to keep in mind while solving this question. So let's start. So taking the first question, find 12 divided by 3 by 4. So here it is a fraction, correct? So when we have a question of division, first we have to change the sign division to multiplication. Then we have to take the reciprocal of this number. What do you mean by reciprocal? Means numerator and denominator will be interchanged, so it will become 4 by 3, correct? So that 4 by 3 I have to write here, and I have to do the lowest form of this. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. So now here you can see numerators and numerators will be multiplied and denominator with denominator. So 4 fours are 16 and divided by 1, that is nothing, 16 only. So the answer I am getting is 16, correct? Moving to the second one, same thing we have to do here. 14 multiplied by 6 by 5. So here you see there is no common factor in these numbers, so we have to multiply it. So I will get 84 by 5. So this is the answer, 84 by 5. So third one is 8 into 3 by 7. Here you see again there is no common factor, so we have to multiply, so it will become 24 by 7. So always keep in mind, during multiplication you have to multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator, correct? So here answer you are getting is 24 by 7. And this one again, this is for you, so I am solving this one. 3 into, now first you see here it is a mixed fraction. First we have to change it into a improper fraction, correct? So what is the improper fraction? Means numerator is greater than denominator, that is called as a improper fraction. So 2 1 by 3, how to change it? You have to multiply these two numbers, means this denominator and this whole number you have to multiply, so it will become 3 2s are 6. Then the answer you are getting, in that you have to add this numerator number, so it will become 6 plus 1 7, and denominator will not change, correct? So now I am getting 3 by 7 for this, but I have to take the reciprocal of this number, so I will write 3 and 7. So again you see there is no common factor, so simply I will multiply and write the answer. So answer is 9 by 7. Same you have to do in this one. So first you convert this mixed fraction into the improper fraction. So 3 4 by 7, which will be 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 4 is 25, so I'll get 25 by 7. So this is my improper fraction. Now 5 into what I am getting, 25 by 7, so it will become 7 by 25. Now here you see they have a common factor, so 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25. So what the answer you are getting here, 7 ones are 7 and 1 5s are 5, so answer is 7 by 5. So it's very easy now. So okay, this one is left for you. Now moving to the second question, find the reciprocal of each of the following fractions. Classify the reciprocals as proper, improper fraction and whole number. So you have to find the reciprocal of each of the following fraction. So reciprocal is very easy, means you have to just change the numerator and denominator. 3 by 7 will be 7 by 3. So now you decide whether it is a proper, improper or whole number. So here you see denominator is here you see numerator is greater, so it is a improper fraction. Now in this, if I do 8 by 5, this is again a improper fraction. 8 is greater than 5. Now this one 7 by 9. So here you see 7 is less than 9, so it is a proper fraction, proper. And this one 5 by 6, this is again a proper fraction. This one 7 by 12, this is again a proper fraction. 8 by 1, so that is a whole number, because 8 by 1 is nothing, only 8, and 8 is a whole number, there is no fraction part. In 1 by 11 also you have 11. 11 by 1 is nothing, only 11, so it is a whole number. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now coming to the third question. 7 by 3 divided by 2. So 7 by 3, it is like this only. This one, first one we did here now, like that you have to do here, same. So only you have to keep in mind, always you have to take the reciprocal of your divisor. So 7 by 3 into this 2 is nothing, 2 by 1. So when we take the reciprocal, it will become 1 by 2. Okay, so when you are solving, you just write 1 as a denominator. So now here you see there is no common factor, so I will multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So it will become 6. 3 2s are 6. Okay, so answer is 7 by 6. Same in this also, you write 1 here. So when you take the reciprocal, it will become 1 by 5. So 4 by 9 into 1 by 5. Here again no common factor, so I will multiply 9 5s are 45. So answer is 4 by 45. For this also you write a denominator as 1. For every case you have to do like that. Then we take the reciprocal, 1 will go as a numerator. So I think this you will do. This one again, this is mixed fraction, so first convert it into improper fraction. That will be 3 4s are 12 and plus 1, that will be 13 by 3. And this is 1 here, so when I take the reciprocal and change the sign of division to multiplication, and now I have to take the reciprocal of 3 by 1, so it will become 1 by 3, correct? So answer is 13 by 9. Okay, this one you will do. Fourth one I am telling you. So first, whenever you see the mixed fraction, always keep in mind that you have to first convert it into improper fraction, then only you have to solve it. And there is a whole number, so write 1 as a denominator, then you can solve it easily. Okay, now fourth one, 2 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. So division will change to multiplication, and 1 by 2 reciprocal is 2 by 1. So here you see 2 2s are 4, 5 1s are 5, easy. Here also this will change to multiplication, it will become 3 by 2. So of 3 4s are 12, 9 2s are 18. This you can do the lowest form also. So now 3 by 7 into 7 by 8. 7 7 cancel, so you will get 3 by 8. So for this, answer is 3 by 8. Now in this one again you have mixed fraction, so first change the mixed fraction to improper fraction. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7 by 3 into, and take the reciprocal of this number, it will become 5 by 3, correct? So now you see there is no common factor, so 7 5s are 35, 3 3s are 9. So this is the answer. In this also you will get 7 by 2 into 3 by 8. So here also no common factor, so we'll have 21 by 16. And this one, 2 by 5 into 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. And 3 by 2 again we have to take the reciprocal because we are doing the division, so it will become 2 by 3. So 4 by 15. Okay, in this one you see both are the mixed fractions. So first we will convert it into improper fraction. 3 5s are 15 plus 1, 16 by 5 into 3 1s are 3 plus 2, 5, 5 by 3. That we will take the reciprocal, it will become 3 by 5. So answer is 48 by 25. Okay, and this one, 2 5s are 10 plus 1, 11, 11 by 5 into 5 1s are 5 plus 1, 6 by 5, and take the reciprocal of this, it will become 5 by 6. So multiply 5 by 6. So 5 5 will be cancelled and you have 11 by 6. So answer is 11 by 6. So I hope this exercise is clear to you. You just try it, and if you find any problem in solving the question, please leave a comment in the comment section. I hope this is a really very easy exercise. Most of your concepts are very easy, you will be able to solve it very nicely because most of the things we have already read in standard 6. So just go through the exercise, and if you find any difficulty, so let me know. Stay tuned to Electronics Tube.